I've got something to show you. Could you come here for a second?
So, I'm about to tell my mom.
Gotta fucking do it. I'm scared.
Hello?
Are you filming?
I am filming.
I am gay.
I'm gay.
Мы не рассказываем о себе для того, чтобы недовидящие нас знали. Даем столько шума, сколько можем, чтобы такие же люди, как и мы, которые боятся, не могут быть собой, знали, что они не ошибка, что они не одни.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
God hates fags.
It shouldn't be difficult. You shouldn't feel ashamed. You shouldn't feel scared or threatened. You shouldn't feel like you shouldn't do it. My name's Luke, and I'm gay.
Nothing would stop me from loving you, my dear.